How to recover your Jackson Hewitt account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to head over to any web browser and then search for jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. Then at the top of the web page, click on login/sign up and then select My JH account option. Now on this page, click on Forgot username or email if you have forgotten that detail. Once you click on that option, another page is going to open up, and here you will be able to retrieve your username or email. For that, you want to select one of the following methods to retrieve it. You can either enter your email address and then click on the continue option, or you can enter the mobile number. You can choose whichever way you want. Once you have entered the details, after confirmation, you will be able to retrieve your username or email. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option. Once you click on it, over here you will have to enter your username or email. Then click on the Continue option. After that, you're going to receive a link on your email address. You simply have to click on that link and then enter a new password. After that, you will be able to reset your password. Now, if you are not able to access your account even after all of these process, you want to click on the Contact Us option at the bottom of your screen. Then from there, you're going to find different options. You can either live chat with the customer support agent, you can also call them, or you can visit the office in order to recover your account. And that's the end for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.